Hi, my name's Lisa Matthias. I'm a printmaker and ecologist based out of central Alberta, and this is my show at the Beaty Biodiversity Museum. Most of my printmaking practice is about nature and the environment. These works are all about exploring peatland bryophytes, which means mosses and liverworts that live in terrestrial wetlands in Canada and throughout the Northern Hemisphere called peatlands. I have a background in botany, so I've studied plants a lot. Never really studied mosses, but my partner is a bryologist, so I've lived with someone for the last 25 years who's in love with mosses and studies them all the time, so I think it was inevitable that I would eventually make artwork about moss. It happened kind of spontaneously. I was working at a microscope station in my home one day looking at some roadside wildflowers, and there were some stray sphagnum leaves on one of my slides. It was totally different than anything I'd seen in botany before. There's a lot of unique botanical structures like hyaline cells that are only found in sphagnum mosses. The show is made up of mostly woodcut prints and etchings. I have a lot of large-scale woodcut prints using like oil-based ink, and also some smaller color prints using Japanese-style water-based woodcut. Studying natural systems with an artist hat on. It's different than when I used to do science research. Now I head out with my sound recorder, and my headphones, and my camera, and I'm documenting things in the same way, but for these pieces in this exhibit, for example, whether or not people know the name of the species in this print is not that important to me anymore. It's about something else. I meet a lot of people from the other side who start as artists and then are so fascinated by science and the natural world. And I feel like a lot of those artists I talk to feel like somehow inadequate, like they don't have what they need to be able to do that. And I think that's not true at all. Like, we're all looking at these natural subjects and ecology with the same kind of curiosity and just wanting to feel and understand this kind of interconnectedness among all living things. Whether we have a background in science or not, I feel like we're all like equally on the same playing field for like trying to approach art making, and through art making getting to know the natural world.